Hello everyone, I'm Narendra. What my student? What's your name?
My name is Shivam.
What's your name?
My name is Shivam.
What is mean of Shivam?
My name is Shivam. It means fortunate and lucky.
Look at the camera. Next, what's your zodiac?
Aquarius is my zodiac.
Aquarius in Hindi.
Kumbh.
Is zodiac is Aquarius? It means Kumbh Rasi. Okay. How many alphabets are there in your name? Alphabets. How many alphabets? 6 alphabets. Okay. Which is your favorite English word?
My favorite English word is India.
India. Why? India is your favorite. Why?
India is country.
India is country. Okay. You love country. Your country. Okay. In which class do you study?
I am studying 11th class.
You study in 11th class. Which subject will you choose? Because you just came in 11th class. So which subject will you choose? Science, math, science, biology, arts, or commerce? Which subject? Drawing?
Arts.
Arts. Arts. You will select art subject. But tell me, art subject. Which particular subject would you like to choose?
Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi literature. Okay, Hindi literature.
Bhugol.
Geography. History.
History.
History, Hindi, literature and geography he will select in 11th class because he just entered in 11th class. How many percentage have you got in 10th class?
74.
74%. In which subject did you score highest marks? Highest marks in which subject in 10th class?
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit. How many score did you score in 10th? Did you score? How many marks did you score in Sanskrit?
84.
84. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Don't be nervous. Look at the camera. Be straight. Just like this. Just like me. Be straight. Look at the camera. Okay. How many marks did you score in Sanskrit?
84.
And minimum marks in which subject? Minimum
Math.
Math. How many?
56.
56. Okay. Nice. Doesn't matter. So, what are you fond of?
I am fond of tea.
Tea. Imagine that you are the principal of this school. Which step will you choose in July? Imagine. I'm asking him. Imagine he is the principal of this school. What will you do for a student?
Sorry, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I'll make you understand what I want to ask you. You are principal of this school. What will you do for a student? What changes would you do? Raise your hand who wants to answer this question. I'm asking that you are the principal of this school. How many changes? What changes will you do in this school? What changes? What changes? No idea.
Sorry, no idea.
You have no idea. Okay, I'll tell you that if you are the principal of this school, what ideas must be taken by you as a principal, because students will have to also take part in activities. So some activities I will do, some activities such I will buy a net for volleyball net. I will arrange a volleyball field here, volleyball ground. I will arrange some special toys for kids, special toys for kids. Okay, special courses for students such as computer labs. You will do anything else. Okay, doesn't matter. What's your father?
He is farmer.
He's farmer. Tell me something about your family. How many members? Your family.
7.
7 members. Okay. Which is your ideal person in your life? Inspirable persons. Which idol do you like most?
Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Bhimrao Ambedkar, your idol. And which subject do you like most?
English.
English, grammar, English textbooks, English spoken. Which one particular?
English spoken.
Spoken English your favorite. Okay, nice. What do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor. Okay, you want to become a doctor in which field? Eye specialist, teeth specialist, bone specialist. Which type of doctor would you like to be in your future?
I specialist.
Eye specialist. Okay. What do you know about eyes? Do you know about eyes?
Sorry, no idea.
You have no idea. Okay, doesn't matter, but his knowledge is awesome about spoken English. So I'll ask some more questions. Do you like cricket?
Yes.
Okay. Is your favorite game cricket?
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Go.
Thank you.